Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a project management template in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful if you want to organize tasks, track deadlines, and keep your team aligned without starting from scratch. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard, which is your hub for accessing all Google tools and templates. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you want to create and store this project management template. Now that you're on the Workspace dashboard, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Template Gallery. Go ahead and click on it. This gallery is where Google keeps a collection of pre-built templates for docs, sheets, slides, and more. It's a fantastic resource that saves you time and gives you a professional starting point for various tasks. After clicking Template Gallery, you'll be presented with a range of templates across different categories. What you want to do here is scroll down through the available options until you find templates designed for project management. You'll likely see options like Project Timeline and Project Tracking. These templates are specifically built to help you manage tasks, deadlines, and team responsibilities. Take a moment to review what each one offers, then click on the one that best fits your needs. If you're tracking milestones and deadlines, Project Timeline might be ideal. If you're more focused on task assignments and progress, Project Tracking could be the better choice. Once you click on your preferred template, it will open directly in Google Sheets. This is where the real customization begins. You'll notice the template comes with pre-formatted sections and placeholder text. Start by editing the title at the top of the sheet to reflect your specific project. Then move on to fields like project title, project manager, company name, and date. Simply click on each cell and type in your own information. This personalizes the template and makes it relevant to your actual project. Beyond the header information, you can also edit the other content within the template. This includes task names, deadlines, assigned team members, status updates, and any other fields the template provides. The beauty of using a template is that the structure is already there, so you just need to fill in your details. You can also add or remove rows and columns as needed to fit the scope of your project. And that's it. You've successfully built a project management template in Google Sheets. You now have a structured professional tool to keep your projects on track and your team informed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.